There are a few new experiences that are coming to the boardwalk, which I would say the boardwalk does need some things because some things have left in recent years at the boardwalk.
Yep, we lost the Big River Grill.
Which,
and
honestly, not a big loss.
It was okay. And then we lost Jellyrolls. So we're going to get stuff in their place, I believe is where they're going. It makes the most sense. These places are going to start opening in late 2026. The first one is called Hurly Burly. Hurly Burly. This is a, basically it's not just a lounge. It's kind of like a activity thing during the day, a lounge at night kind of. So it says during the afternoon, guests can drop by for family-friendly activities like trivia and other games led by a charismatic host. By night, Hurly Burly will transition into a live music venue, welcoming guests 21 and over to unwind with classic coastal-inspired cocktails and tasty light bites, while enjoying a variety of musical entertainment that perfectly complements the boardwalk's other unique offerings.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It seems like it's in the... It's like maybe the whole theme of the boardwalk from being... What's the boardwalk time period set in?
It's supposed to be like turn of the century.
It feels like it's kind of a... Yeah, like it might be set in that time period, which I think that would be kind of cool.
Hurly Burly.
Yeah. Now, it doesn't have pianos. I don't think it's going to be a remake of the piano bar. It looks in the concept art like they've got cellos and they got like... It almost looks like a lounge singer type of thing.
Yeah.
So maybe they're going for a classier vibe with this.
Know.
I mean, we talked about before, I'm not a Jellyrolls guy.
No, you did
but
not.
But I could be a lounge. If you have a lounge where it's kind of more classy, I could deal with that. But just, yeah, dueling pianos and people getting all ruckus, I'm just like, you know what? I would rather not do that personally.
Okay.
And maybe not have the $22 cover charge that Jellyrolls had.
That's true. There's also a new shopping experience coming. It's called Basin on the Boardwalk. And I believe this is going where Big River Grill was. I'm not sure. I mean, it didn't say that specifically, but there is a big space for it. So this is going to be basically a basin store, but it's a little bit more. It's going to have soaps, botanical bath salts, bath bombs, body butter, shampoo, conditioner, etc. This location specifically will also feature interactive elements that make the experience especially unique, including a custom bath tea blending counter, a make-your-own soap station, and a soap embossing press for a personalized finishing touch. But anyway, basins are very popular. So, I mean, there's one. I know there's one in Grand Floridian. There's one in Disney Springs. There's also going to be a new quick service restaurant coming to the boardwalk. Again, no information about that, but they're going to tell us later this summer.
Okay.
So lots of new stuff coming to the boardwalk. I mean, like, I'm fine with it. That's good.
You ladies in your soaps.
I mean, I don't think I've ever bought anything from Basin, but, you know.
Listen, I'm a simple man. I just do Irish Spring. Okay.
That
I like to keep my heritage there and just do some, I feel like it's good. Well, I mean, I think Hurly Burly, well, depending on what it is, it could be something, because you do need more, I think you do need more nighttime things at the boardwalk. And I think there has been some lacking things. I mean, but the ladies are doing well with this. I mean, Hurly Burly maybe, but you got the Basin, you got your cake bake shop for the ladies there, even though they keep getting sued about, apparently they treat their employees terribly. But
oh my goodness.
I don't think people much care, but there are some, you got some things to do there, more stuff coming, I suppose, which I do love the boardwalk. So, it's a nice evening, just go hang out there and maybe end it at Hurly Burly.
That does sound like an evening.
It's a weird name though for that.
Hurly Burly.
Hurly Burly.
I don't know what that's referring to. Like, I don't know enough about the boardwalk probably to know what that is referring to.
I'm sure there's going to be a story there. Well, Jellyrolls was not owned by Disney. So this seems to be Disney is running and operating this. So maybe it's going to have more of a backstory and stuff like that. But
okay,
we'll see. I don't know.
Okay, so Hurly Burly refers to noisy disorder, confusion, or a chaotic and busy situation.
Okay, I don't like that.
That's what
That's terrible.
That's the definition. That's so funny.
That does not entice me. Hey, do you want to come experience chaos? Like, not really.
Turmoil, uproar, hubbub, confusion. That's so crazy. So it's just chaotic. I hope that's not what it actually is.
The concept art does not match that. Shows much more of a chill lounge vibe. So I guess we'll see.
Yeah. I mean, there was a movie called Hurly Burly from 1998.
The classic.
I mean, a lot of people I recognize.
I've never heard of it personally.
Okay. So. Well, anyway.
But the 90s did have bangers for movies, so
sure did.
Maybe it's good.
Sure did. But anyway, so yeah, that's what's coming to Boardwalk.